Hey everybody, it's time for Will It Marinate. I have some $9 a pound chuck-eye steak, or is it ribeye? Same thing, right? So I got some barbecue rub, right? You just add some water, and now we're making it into a marinade. I really think I'm onto something with this. You can't tell me this isn't a ribeye. Look at that thing. I think they packaged it wrong, right? It's a little butcher's not so hidden secret anymore. I think everybody's finding out about chuck-eye steaks because they used to get them for really cheap. Now they're, again, $8-9 a pound. Sometimes you can get them for cheaper than that, but not usually anymore. And there's actually been times I've gone to the store and they're all gone. People are buying them, so get them now while you can. Dump out your excess water. You know, I just did this for, I don't know, 3 hours. I probably marinated it for. I got my grill up to 400. Good sear. This is my master-built gravity-fed smoker, 1050. So I'm going to throw them right on the grill here. Do about 5 minutes on the side. Do a little longer on that thicker one. But does the marinade gets it all the way through. Rubs are good, don't get me wrong. I think you get more concentrated flavor on the surface with the rub, but the marinade's going to get through. It's going to break up those proteins a little bit more with that liquid. I just think it does better for absorption. I don't know. I've done this a few times now. I have a video up where I do it with some ribs. This video I do the steaks. And spoiler alert, it turned out really good. I'm going to start doing this marinade with all my rubs. Just add water to a rub and it makes it into a marinade. I mean, how simple is that? And proof is in the pudding. Let's give it a try. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Really good.